Welcome back. It's time for sports.
A Jamaican Paris Olympics discus gold medalist Roger Stoner and shot put bronze medalist Rajendra Campbell have completed their switch of allegiance to Turkey, according to consultant with the Turkish Sports Ministry, Unda Özbilen.
Roger and Raji will be for us. Ministry will put a project named talent transfer model between disciplines. They will be the pioneers.
Stoner captured Jamaica's only gold medal at last year's edition of the Olympics in Paris with a throw of 70 meters flat, which was the Olympic record, while Campbell captured the bronze medal in the shot put event with a throw of 22.15 meters. Campbell is also the national record holder in the event with a throw of 22.31 meters. A Jamaican triple jumper is finalizing his switch. Two Jamaicans, including the informed Jordan Scott, are down to compete at the Paris Diamond League meet on Friday. Scott registered a personal best 17.34 meters to win at the Oslo meet last Thursday and surged to second in the world rankings. He also won the season's first Diamond League in Xiamen, China with 17.27 meters and also placed second at the Shanghai meet with a leap of 17 meters flat. National 100-meter hurdles record holder Akira Nugent is the other Jamaican down to compete. Nugent will contest her pet event against a stacked field, which will include world record holder Nigerian Toby Amusan, former world record holder American Kendra Harrison, and world indoor 60-meter hurdles record holder the Bahamian Devin Charlton. I'm Christopher Scott, and that is your Midday Sports Report.
Thank you, Christopher. And that's the Midday News. I'm Shamela Pullen. Join us at 7 for Primetime News. On behalf of the news, sports, and production teams, good afternoon.